All right, fellas, let's get straight to the point. We're diving deep today. You're hustling hard, putting in the hours, sacrificing sleep, posting content, creating value, engaging with your audience, grinding day in, day out. But are you seeing the results you want, the growth, the impact, the revenue, or just crickets? Radio silence is frustrating. I know, believe me, I've been there. You see others crushing it seemingly effortlessly, and you wonder, what am I missing? What's the secret sauce? Doubt creeps in. Well, maybe you think you're not cut out for this. That success is for someone else, but don't give up, not yet. This stuck feeling, it's common, more common than you think. So many good men get trapped in the cycle, the endless loop of effort, working harder, getting nowhere. It's a recipe for burnout. It's like running on a treadmill. You're putting in the work, full speed, no progress, just spinning your wheels. But there's a way out, a path to real progress. No magic pill, no quick fix solution, no overnight secret, just sustainable strategies. It's about understanding the fundamentals, a few key things that unlock real growth no one's told you before, things that the gurus leave out. We're breaking it down, simplifying the complex, getting you from stuck to fired up, ready to take on the world. Lean in, pay attention. Class is in session. Let's get started, gentlemen. Let me tell you about Mike and Farmer John. Mike saw John's booming crops and tried to copy everything, same seeds, same routine. But Mike's garden flopped. Why? He copied what he saw. John understood his soil, the sunlight, the fundamental. Mike missed the foundation. The lesson, copying the surface never works. You need to understand the behind the success. Don't just chase magic seeds. Dig deeper. Learn the basics. Build your own foundation. That's how you grow. Mike's story is your hustle. You see viral content, big followings, and try to copy the magic. But if you don't know your own soil, your audience, your message, you're just amplifying mistakes. More posts won't fix a weak message. Ads won't save. Unclear branding. Stop chasing every new chase. Master the basics first. This week, pick one thing. Define your ideal customer. Write a clear bio or craft a connecting caption. Focus, practice, get good at it. Build one solid brick before the whole wall. That's how you create something that lasts. Start with the foundation. Let's talk about you, the man behind the hustle. People connect with people, not faceless brands. Your personal story is your superpower. Share your journey, the struggles, the lessons, the wins. Why did you start? What drives you? Stories move people and build trust. When you're real, people root for you. This week, share one personal story about your hustle. It doesn't have to be epic, just honest. Show your human side. Let people see the real you. You'll build a community, not just customers. Try it and watch the connection grow. Saying you hustle is easy. It's a buzzword thrown around, often without substance. Everyone to be hustling, but talk is cheap. Showing it is what matters. Actions speak louder than words, and genuine effort leaves a tangible mark. It's about demonstrating your commitment, not just declaring it. Document your journey, the ups, the downs, and everything in between. Don't just post the highlights. People connect with authenticity, not just the polished version of reality. Show the early mornings, the dedication before the world wakes up, late nights, the extra hours when everyone else is resting. Real process, the messy, imperfect, and sometimes frustrating reality of building something. Consistency builds trust. It shows you're reliable, dedicated, and in it for the long haul. Forget perfect balance. It's a myth. It's about priorities and being present. Give your full attention to what matters most in that moment. Some days hustle needs more. The business demands your undivided attention. Other days, family does. Their needs take precedence, and that's okay. Communicate with your loved ones. Keep them in the loop about your commitments and challenges. Forgive yourself for off days. Everyone has them. Don't let them derail you. Action step. For one day, Document your real hustle. Photos, video, or a post. Show the world what it takes and have an honest talk with someone important about your time and energy. Set expectations and boundaries. Show up in all areas of life. Be present and engaged wherever you are. Be real, be open. Share your struggles and your successes. That's how you earn respect. Authenticity and hard work are always recognized. Live your grind. Embrace the journey, the challenges, and the rewards. You're putting in the work, burning the midnight oil, and dedicating yourself to your craft. It's about those late nights and early mornings, pushing beyond your comfort zone, sharing your story, your insights, and your journey with others. Connecting with your audience on a personal level is key to building trust and rapport. And wins start coming. The hard work pays off, and you begin to see the fruits of your labor. Celebrate those victories, big or small. Don't let success go to your head. Stay grounded, remember where you came from, and appreciate the journey. When something works, analyze why. Understand the underlying principles and strategies that led to your success. Repurpose your best content. Maximize your reach and impact by transforming successful pieces into different formats. Turn a blog into a video. Breathe new life into your written content by creating engaging video content. Break tips into posts. Distill your knowledge into bite-sized, easily digestible pieces for social media. Always have a call to action. Guide your audience. Tell them what you want them to do next, whether it's visiting your website, subscribing to your channel, or making a purchase. Turn wins into momentum. Use your successes as fuel to propel you forward and achieve even greater things. Check in with your goals regularly. Make sure you're still aligned with your vision and purpose. Let them evolve as you do. Your goals should adapt and change as you grow and learn. Your hustle should serve your life, enhancing your overall well-being and happiness, not run it. Avoid burnout by prioritizing self-care and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Stay humble and remember to give back to your community. The moment you stop learning, seeking new knowledge, and expanding your horizons, you stop growing and your potential remains untapped. Be open to feedback, even when it's difficult to hear. It's an opportunity for growth and improvement. The game keeps changing and new trends emerge constantly. Stay curious, explore new possibilities, and adapt to the ever-changing landscape. Keep moving forward, even when faced with challenges and setbacks. Want to level up? Grab your free guide at the Ultimate Guide to AI in digitalmarketing.com. It's your gateway to unlocking your full potential. It's packed with real advice, actionable strategies, and proven techniques to help you win in today's competitive world. Now go make it happen. Take action, pursue your dreams, and create the life you've always imagined.